Now we are going to be writing our first Java application. So you've created your first project, yes?
Yes, sir.
All right, that is very good. So the next thing we are going to do is to write our first Java application. I'm going to create mine now. So make sure everything is intact and it should open up to this screen that I have here. Okay, it says prepare workspace. Can you all see my screen?
We're seeing the PowerPoint, my first Java app.
Okay, let me see. I'm sharing my IntelliJ screen now. So let me see whether you can see it. Okay. What of now?
Yeah, no.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So we are here. So this is your IntelliJ project interface. So basically everything we're going to be doing is here. All right. Now I just need you to expand this place that says what? SRC. Can you see SRC?
Yes.
So I want you to expand it by clicking the arrow and you'll be able to see main. Right? I see main.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. If you notice, there's something that looks like an icon beside the main that has C within the icon. So what is trying to tell you is that this main is a class. All right. So I just need you to just follow me. You might not understand what a class is. We are going to explain it eventually. But what I want us to just concentrate is how we can write our very first Java program. Okay. So just drag your main to your window. Okay. So just drag your main to your window and release it, and you should have something like this.
Yes, I see it.
Okay. And it shows analyzing. Okay, depending on how fast your computer is, it should finish analyzing within seconds.
Yeah, mine finished the moment I put it.
All right, awesome. So everybody with me?
So
Yes.
now can you redo it?
Okay, so I'm just going to close up this, and I have main here.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to drag it and drop it on my screen here.
Done.
Yeah. Okay, just drag and drop. I notice that the tab that is open is called main.what? Java. Is that okay?
Yes.
All right. So your Java files has an extension .java. Now, one other thing you can do is there's a little plus button here. Can you see the plus button?
Yes.
Just I want you to expand it. So when you expand it, it should pop up this system out print line statement down.
Yeah, hello world.
Yeah, I see.
Very, very good. Very, very good. Awesome. We are on it. I want you to change this particular string to hooray. Hooray, my first Java program.
Okay, done.
Done.
Okay, my first Java program. Everybody done?
Yes.
Okay, now when you right click here, you should see run main. Can you see run main?
Yeah, I see you run main.
Okay.
Yeah, I see.
Then another way to run this program is to click on this green icon here, just at the top right corner of my screen. Okay. Now I want you to use any of the options. Click on it and show me what it's displayed.
Actually nothing.
Okay,
Same.
just wait for it.
Oh no, out idea popped up.
Okay, out idea.
I don't know.
Okay.
Oh,
Just wait for it.
something popped up below. Something
Yes,
popped
show
up
me an
below.
error.
Program file child process finished with exit code 0. CC program file Java
Error.
IDK.
Error
Okay.
could not
Yes.
find or
Hooray, my
load.
first program.
Error could not do
What?
it.
Could not find or load main class.
Okay. Who else has error?
Not me.
All right.
Not me.
I want you to share your. Let me just run mine.
Okay.
Right. If you are running it, it will take a while before it pops up something. That is, it's trying to compile your program. Okay. At the bottom of my screen, you see this place that says what build. So it's loading. You notice it's loading. All right. So it says or click to see all running background tasks. So, but I don't need the background tasks. I just need it to display the result. All right. So it's running, and at the end, it should output something for you here.
Yeah,
right?
that's exactly what
That's
mine
what
is.
showed for me.
Definitely,
That's what
this
mine
is
did.
your first Java program. It has been able to output your first
And
string,
then
right? So this part where you see run, I see run. This part
Yes,
where it
sir.
displays the results is your compiler. It has been able to compile it and it's displaying on your screen. So you get familiar with this because eventually most of what you'll be doing here, that's at the code section, will be displayed here. Your result will be displayed in this particular place. Is that right?